mamas, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video. For those that are new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So hey girl, what's poppin'? Today is Sunday. Girl, we're doing a Sunday reset because I really need it. I really need one. So we're doing a Sunday reset. I'm about to clean out these drawers over here. I have like one drawer down there which I'm like starting to clean out. I have stuff on my bed. I need to organize because I'm starting school tomorrow, so I need to organize that drawer because it has like my books in it and my like index cards and stuff like that. So I need to like really organize that drawer because I do not want to be stressed out and just be all over the place. So we're gonna organize that drawer, and then I'm probably gonna organize my closet a little bit. We're gonna clean the bathroom, and my room is already situated. I just probably need to vacuum and like clean my mirror, just little small stuff like that, y'all. And then we have another Target pickup order, so we're going to pick up our Target order once it's ready. Y'all, today is the first day of like their sale that they got going on. They had a lot of good deals, and I got a lot of stuff, y'all. I spent like $200, so it better be bags on top of bags, okay? Like it better be a whole bunch of bags. So I got some pretty good stuff, so no complaints. I re-upped on my body care. I've been using the Dove antibacterial body wash. So good, y'all. It's so good. So yeah, I re-upped on that. They had a sale on like the always disposable underwear. I'll wear this when I'm like on my period at nighttime. I really do like these, y'all. So I re-upped on these. I think this was like $1.50 off, so I got me one of these because for my for when my period starts, I already have everything in line. And then what else? I think that's it. I mean, I got other stuff like food and stuff, but I'm pretty sure y'all don't care. Yeah, girl. So we're gonna get started with cleaning up. I have like a bag over here that I'm donating. So I need to drop that off today. And then I might take some more stuff out my closet. I'm gonna look in there and see what I got, because I feel like I can literally get rid of some more stuff. We're gonna see. But yeah, y'all. So this is just gonna be a little chill vlog. We're going to I'm gonna start on some more flashcards for class tomorrow because I'm trying to be a little ahead of the game. I'm trying to already know what we're gonna talk about, so when they're teaching it, I'm already knowing, because I just don't have time. Like, I do not have time. So yeah, we're probably gonna do some more flashcards today. We're gonna read some chapters. I'm probably gonna read chapter 1 and a little bit of chapter 2. Yeah, and I didn't tell y'all, I'm starting real estate school again, y'all. I took the class a couple months ago. I didn't pass, so we're doing it again, and I'm really glad because I already have all of the material. I have all my flashcards. I just need to write some more stuff, y'all. It's this whole stack right here. Whole stack of flashcards, and I have to write some more out. So we're just getting prepared for tomorrow because it's the first day. Yeah, that's tomorrow. So enough to be talking, because y'all know I can talk for a little minute. Let's get started with organizing. Oh yeah, and I wanted to show y'all, I'm gonna show y'all this little fabric shaver that my mama got me from Marshall's. I'm gonna come back on and show y'all that because I gotta find some batteries. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in a little second.
Trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is. Oh wait, that's so serious. Got me thinking just too much. I wanna shut it out, but it's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing, you saw me feeling. It's this one thing you did. It's this one thing I want to admit. It's this one thing, and I was so
Hey girl, what's poppin'? So it's a little bit later, y'all. I'm in the car. I'm about to leave to head to go to Target to pick up the Target order. Y'all, I feel like I've been doing a lot today, kind of, but not really. Like, I was cleaning a lot. That took a lot of my time out, organizing and stuff like that. I took me a shower, did my hair. It's not the best pony, but it's something. We're just going to Target, y'all. I'm not even getting out, but it looks like it's about to rain, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and get to Target because I want them to bring my stuff out. I don't want to go inside. So yeah, we're gonna head to Target, y'all, and I'll probably see y'all once we get there. I don't know what this vlog is really about, y'all. I feel like it's probably a bunch of nothing, but thank you so much if you watched up to this point. Thank you, girl. Yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all once we get to Target, and yeah.
Feelings so deep in my feelings. Noticing you really like me. Can't control my anxiety.
Hey y'all, it's a little bit later, so I'm back home from running the errands, going to Target. Y'all, look at my head. I'm literally in a hair depression because I'm just ready to get my hair done. I have another week, and girl, I can't wait. But anyway, I wanted to come on here and try out this fabric shaver. My mama had got me this from Marshall's. It's supposed to get rid of, like, you know, those little beads that you get on like your clothing. It can be on like sweatpants, jeans. It's so annoying. So I'm about to try this out. I have a cardigan. I have a couple of things, but I'm gonna try it out on my cardigan because that's what I wear to work like all the time. So I'm about to see what it's gonna be given. Yeah, this cardigan has so many of the little beads. Can y'all see that? Y'all see all those beads? I'm about to see if it's really gonna make a difference. Cause yeah, these little beads are annoying. It's like all over. I think it's all over it. I'm gonna start from the back now. I think it says, what does it say? Glide the shaver. It says glide the shaver lightly over the fabric. Do not press down. Okay. So you have to do AA batteries, and this was $5.99, y'all, from Marshall's. So yeah, girl, let's see what this is about to do. Let's see if it's really gonna work. Actually, it says glide, don't press. So we're about to try. Actually working, I think. Y'all probably cannot see this, but it's literally, I see the stuff inside of here. I want y'all to see it. Oh my gosh, y'all probably can't see that, but it's like I can see the stuff is inside of here. So I'm gonna try to do the whole thing and see if it really is gonna do something. That's so cool. Alright, y'all, so I just got done doing that cardigan. I feel like it actually did work, y'all. So if y'all are interested, go to Marshall's. Hopefully y'all can find it. It's the fabric, what is it, what did I say it was called? Fabric shaver. So yeah, I was wanting to post this video today on Sunday, but girl, I feel like I didn't have enough footage and I wanted to record some more stuff. So I'm probably gonna throw in, oh my god, it's thundering. Do y'all hear that? Oh my god. Yeah, I'm probably gonna, ooh, let me hurry up. I'm probably gonna throw some like skincare or something in here, y'all, just to add a little something extra. But I'm about to I'm about to start reading chapter 1. Okay, we're gonna read chapter 1. I think chapter 1 is like 20 pages long. Oh, actually, chapter 1 is 13 pages long. Long enough. But we about to start reading chapter 1. I'm gonna try to get through chapter 2 too, y'all. Chapter 2 too. What? I'm gonna try to get through chapter 2 as well. And yeah, girl, this probably is gonna be the end of this vlog or Sunday reset. I feel like I really didn't do much but just talk. I really didn't do much but just talk, y'all. But I hope y'all enjoyed. And if you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, girl, I'll probably see y'all in the next video. Peace.